Good morning. My name is Anand. I am from class 9.
Good morning, my name is Vishwa. I am from class 9.
Today we are going to explain a model law of inertia. Law of inertia is a physical object change state of motion or the tendency of an object. The principle of inertia, the fundamental principle which classifies physics, which are used to describe motion of matter and how it is affected by applied forces.
It works upon the first law of motion. First law of motion is also known as the law of inertia. It states that an object continues to be in a state of rest or of uniform motion along a straight line unless acted upon by a its force.
Thus we can relate inertia and mass are as follows. If we take 5 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin has larger inertia because it has larger mass. 1 rupee coin has less inertia because it has lesser mass. From this we can conclude that heavier or more massive object of a larger inertia and also inertia of an object can be measured by mass. This property is called inertia. Let us show how does the model works. Thank you.